Welcome to Mindfulete. This affirmation session is built to steady you, strengthen you, and bring you back to the center you rely on. If this supports you today, hit like and subscribe for more performance-built meditations by Mindfulete. Find your seat. Let your shoulders drop. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Say these affirmations quietly to yourself or in your mind. Some days feel heavier. That's real. And I'm still here. I don't hide from hard moments. I meet them. I breathe and I stay. My strength isn't loud. It's steady. I don't need to rush my way through discomfort. I let it pass through me, not define me. Inhale low. Exhale slow. My strength begins in my breath. I come back to myself quickly. I trust what I've built. I've been here before, and I've risen before. Pressure doesn't pull me off center. I return to my stance. I return to my breath. I return to myself. I rise slowly and steadily. Not forced, not rushed, just true. My confidence rebuilds from the inside. Every breath settles me. Every exhale clears weight I don't need. I grow through what challenges me, not around it. I am built for long-term strength, not short bursts. I'm ready for what comes next. I move with purpose. I choose clarity over rush. My mind stays controlled. My body stays calm. My strength meets the moment, not with force, but with presence. I carry strength, not tension. I rise without rushing. Deepen your breath now. Feel your body waking back up. Feel the room around you. The air, the sound, the stillness you've created. Take one more breath. Strong in, steady out. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Say quietly to yourself or in your mind, my strength is steady, my presence is power. If they supported you today, like the video and subscribe to Mindfulete for more performance-built meditations and mindset training.